Hello guys, thank you for watching this video lecture. Today I want to talk about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary in Python is an unordered and also mutable collection of key and value pairs. Keys must be unique and immutable, like string, numbers, tuples, while values can be of any type. Let's define dictionary here. For example, we want to create a simple dictionary of fruits. F is equal to, for example, apple. The apple is a key and 5 is a value. Then we can say, for example, banana, and the value for banana is 3. And for example, we can say orange, and the value for orange is 8. So we define a dictionary with F name and keys, and also we have some quantities as values. So 5 apples, 3 banana, and 8 orange, right? Then we can access a value, print F, and what is the value for apple? This is 5, right? So we use a square brackets to access the value for the key apple, and which is 5. We can use get method for safer access. For example, we can say print f.get, and in here grape and 0, right? So this get retrieves the value for grape, and because grape is not there, it will give 0. For example, if I change it to orange, then it will give me 8. Next, we can add a new key value pair. For example, we can say f, and in here we can say mango, and we say the value is 4, right? So we assign 4 to a new key like mango, and dictionary now become apple 5, banana 3, orange 8, and mango 4. So if we print f, this will be apple 5, banana. So because I didn't execute this one, apple 5, banana 3, and orange 8, and mango has been added here as 4. We can also update an existing value. For example, we say if and here we say banana, and in here, okay, it should be exactly the same. So let me change this one. Then here I say banana, and banana is equal to, for example, 6, right? Now, if I print my f, it will be apple 5, banana 6. So banana was originally 3, now it's 6, orange 8, and mango 4. Now, I can remove a value. For example, r is equal to f.pop, and in here, I will remove orange, right? So what is the removed variable? 8 has been removed. So what is my f now? Is apple, banana, and mango. Orange has been removed. Also, we can remove an item with del. For example, we can say del f and mango, right? Now, if I print my f, I will see that mango also has been removed. We can also clear a dictionary. It means we will remove all key value pairs. So we can say simply f clear. So if I print f now, there will be nothing, right? It has been removed. Next, I will create another dictionary. For example, scores A is equal to 85, B equals to B, for example, 92, and C as 78. So this is a dictionary. If I print my S, I will see A is 85, B 92, and C 78, right? Then I can loop our keys. For example, for I in S, then I will iterate over the dictionary keys by default. So I can say f, print f, I score, then s, I, right? So I access each value using the key, right? So A scored 85, B scored 92, and C scored 78. Also, I can go for looping our values. For example, for I in S dot values, then I will print a score and I, right? This one should be S values. So a score 85, a score 92, and a score 78. Also, I can looping our key values pair, right? So for example, for I and J in S dot items, then these items return a view of key value tuples. It means unpack into like names and scores. Then I can print fi and j, right? So a 85, b 92, and c 78. Then I can check membership. For example, if a in s, then print A is in dictionary, right? So A is in dictionary. Or if I change this one to, for example, D, so there is no D in our dictionary. So we can add here, for example, if D not in S, then print D is not in dictionary, right? So not. So it prints D is not in dictionary. We can also create a nested dictionary. For example, we can say students equals to, so we can say, for example, a, age, another dictionary inside dictionary, right? Like 20, grade, grade is like A, and the scores is equal to, for example, 80, 90, and 88. Then we will create another dictionary in here. We say, for example, Bob, age is 22, grade is B, score is something like this, right? So we define a dictionary where each value is another dictionary containing students' data. So if I print students, now you can see I have nested dictionary. And then if I want to access nested values, for example, I can say a underscore age is equal to students a and age, right? So I can print age, print this age, then it will be 20. So a age is 20. Or I can access a score from the nested list. For example, B first score is equal to students B, then scores, scores, then the first score, right? So if I print this one now, I can get the first score of B. So first score of B is 75. If I want to get the second one, I will go for 1 and it is 88. We can also update a nested value. For example, students A and grade, grade, grade. So I will change this one to, for example, A plus, right? Then if I print this one, print the students A, then you will see the score by default was A, but I had changed it to A plus. I also can add a new nested key value pair. For example, students, I add a new one. I call it as, for example, D, and I say uh, age is equal to 19, then grade grade is like C, and scores are for example 78, 80, and 75. Then if I print students, then you can see D has been added to our dictionary. Okay, so this was a simple introduction about dictionary data structure in Python. Please practice and feel free to ask me if you have any question by leaving a comment below this video.